One of the biggest reasons why this homeowner went with a standing seam metal roof is the durability of this. So as you can see this long panel here, it's a 16-inch panel. Most popular one is a rib metal roof. It's 36 inches long, which makes it less durable than this system that's 16 inches. It's got exposed fasteners. This system has a nail strip. They're gonna put their screws into the nail strip, and it has an interlocking system with the other panels. The panel is gonna overlap on the nail strip, and that's how the fasteners are gonna be hidden. One big thing with metal roofs that differ from shingle roofs is that you have to have these panels measured exactly the right size. So before we even started this roof, we had to have someone come out here and measure the roof to make sure that we had exact panel lengths. You measure from the eave, which is at the end of the roof, all the way up to the top of the ridge. And we need to have these panels exactly the correct length because you can't return metal like you can shingle. So if you mess up on the size of a shingle roof, you could return your bundles to the shingle supplier. However, on a standing seam metal roof or any metal roof for that matter, you're not allowed to return these. We see people getting unique colors. This happens to be a mill finish color, which is just a standard Galvalume 26 gauge mill color, just your standard metal roof color. But if you got one of those unique colors like a cocoa brown or a galaxy blue, that's going to be much harder to return if you got the wrong size panels. The big thing when you upgrade to metal, you're not gonna have to worry about replacing this roof every 15 years like you do shingle. The metal roofs are lasting in Florida much over 20 years. The standing seam roofs are lasting over 30 years. We just went to a roof at a school here in town that's been on since the 1960s. These roofs are lasting much over the 50-year mark. As long as they're not rusted out, the insurance companies are viewing them as a premium product, and they're not having you replace those every 15 to 20 years like you do shingle roof. It's important to have crews who understand the geometry of a roof. It's not just throw up 200 bundles of shingles and put them in place. It's like a puzzle you're putting together, and that's how the precision and accuracy of these roofs allow them to stay durable and long lasting.